Hey guys, what's up? I'm Anubha and welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be creating an Indian bridal makeup look for you guys. So if you guys are excited and want to know how I did this, then please keep on watching. I'm going to start my makeup by using the PAC oil primer first. This is so good and hydrating as a makeup base. So I'm just taking one single drop of the product and moving further to the orange corrector. Since this is an Indian bridal makeup look, it's very important to color correct the respective areas. So I'm using an orange color corrector. This is going to conceal all the darkness on my face. And then I'm going to be applying concealer on all the areas wherever I've applied the corrector. And for concealer today, I'm using the MAC Select Cover Up. Using the MAC Select Cover Up as my foundation today, and firstly applying it in dots all over my face using a flat foundation brush and then blending it with a beauty sponge. This is such a beautiful foundation, guys, for weddings and functions. And then to brighten up certain areas, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. You guys already know how much I love this concealer, and I will be using it underneath my eyes, on the tip of my nose, Cupid's bow, chin, and also on my forehead. Next, I'm going to be applying loose powder on the areas wherever I've applied concealer. This is the Banana Powder by Makeup Revolution. And for the rest of my face, I'm using the Rimmel Stay Matte Pressed Powder using a fluffy brush. It's very important to set your base. For contouring, I'm going to be using the LA Girl Concealer in the shade Chestnut and applying it on the hollows of my cheekbones, on my forehead, temple, on my jawline, below my lower lip, and also on my nose. And to blend my contour, I'm using my beauty blender once again. Just make sure to take your time and blend your contour very well. Then to set my contour, I'm going to take this Bahama Mama bronzer and apply it on the areas wherever I've used the contour. To highlight my cheekbones, I'm going to be applying some loose powder. This is the one by Makeup Revolution, and letting it stay on my skin for some time. And moving on to the eyebrows, I'm using the PAC Brow Definer powder and filling in my eyebrows with it. I'm going to clean up the excess powder now. And moving on to the eye makeup, I'm firstly applying a concealer on my eyelids, setting it with some loose powder. The eyeshadow, I'm going to use this peachy shade first from my Makeup Revolution Regeneration palette and apply it on my outer V area and also on the crease. Next, I'm going to take this maroonish, brownish matte eyeshadow and apply it all over my lid using a flat applicator brush. Next, to blend the edges of the eyeshadow, I'm going to be taking a fluffy brush. And next, I'm going to take this peachy shade once again on the fluffy brush and blend the edges. Going back with the maroony brownish shade and apply it on my lid. And then I'm going to take this black matte eyeshadow and using a small fluffy blending brush, I'm just applying it as close to my lash line. This is going to give the eyeshadow a very smoked out effect. Going back with this shade and to intensify the color a little bit more, and then blending the harsh edges. Next, moving on to my lower lash line, I'm going to be taking the same colors. Firstly, this shade, the browny maroony shade, on a smudge brush. Next, I'm going to take an angular brush and using the black matte eyeshadow, I'm going to place it just on my lower lash line, not on my waterline, but close to my lower lash line. And then I'm going to take the peachy shade once again and blend out all of these colors. For mascara, I'm going to be using the Lash Sensational by Maybelline. And I'm going to be wearing Falsies by PAC. These are in number 58. To fill in my lower waterline, I'm going to be using the Gel Liner by Maybelline. For blush, I'm going to be wearing this very pretty rosy pink color by Faces. This is my new favorite these days. And applying it all over my cheeks. For highlighter, I'm going to be wearing the PAC Baked Highlighter. This is also my favorite, and applying it on my chin, Cupid's bow, nose, just above my brow bone, and also on the tops of my cheekbones. Also applying the same highlighter on the brow bone and the tear duct area. I'm going to be lining my lips and also filling in my lips with the same lip liner. This is the one by PAC in the shade Mauve. Going to be keeping my lips very soft and rosy today. And for the lipstick, this is the one by Faces in the shade Blushing Nude. To set my makeup in place, I'm going to be using this makeup fixer by Wet n Wild. And set it with the beauty sponge. So guys, this is my Indian bridal makeup look. I've kept it very fresh and rosy, and let me know in the comment section how did you guys like this look. And this is the first time I've done a complete Indian bridal makeup look. Please give this video a big fat like, guys, and share this video with all your friends and family. It would mean so much to me. And make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit the bell button to stay updated about my channel updates. And I will see you guys in the next video super soon. I love you all so much. Mwah. Bye.